Plant family. 796 genera in Fabaceae. Fabaceae, a plant family close to my heart. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been captivated by the sheer diversity and ecological significance of the Fabaceae family. Also known as legumes, this family encompasses a vast array of plants, from towering trees to delicate wildflowers, all united by their unique fruit structure, the legume pod. In this article, I'll share my fascination with this remarkable plant family, delving into its key characteristics, ecological importance, and some of its most notable members. The distinguishing features of Fabaceae. What sets Fabaceae apart from other plant families is their distinctive legume pod, a dry fruit that splits along two seams to release its seeds. This simple yet ingenious design has enabled legumes to disperse their seeds effectively, contributing to their widespread distribution across the globe. Another hallmark of Fabaceae is their ability to form symbiotic relationships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in their root nodules. These bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants, enriching the soil and benefiting both the legumes and surrounding vegetation. This unique trait makes legumes invaluable in sustainable agriculture, as they can reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Ecological importance of legumes. Fabaceae plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Their nitrogen-fixing ability enhances soil fertility, promoting plant growth and biodiversity. Legumes also serve as a vital food source for various animals, including insects, birds, and mammals. Their flowers attract pollinators, contributing to the reproduction of countless plant species. Moreover, the extensive root systems of many legumes help prevent soil erosion, safeguarding ecosystems from degradation. The Fabaceae family boasts an impressive diversity of genera, each with its unique characteristics and ecological roles. Astragalus. This genus encompasses a wide range of herbaceous perennials and shrubs, known for their beautiful flowers and medicinal properties. Some Astragalus species are used in traditional medicine to boost the immune system and support overall health. 3,082 species in genus Astragalus. Lupinus. Commonly known as lupins, these plants are prized for their vibrant flower spikes and their ability to improve soil quality. Lupins are also cultivated as a source of protein-rich seeds for human and animal consumption. 585 species in genus Lupinus. Trifolium. This genus includes various clover species, which are widely recognized for their three-lobed leaves and their role in nitrogen fixation. Clovers are essential components of pastures and meadows, providing forage for livestock and supporting pollinators. 306 species in genus Trifolium. Glycine. This genus is home to the soybean, a globally significant crop cultivated for its oil and protein-rich seeds. Soybeans are used in a wide range of food products and are also a crucial source of animal feed. 28 species in genus Glycine. Phaseolus. This genus encompasses various bean species, including common beans, kidney beans, and lima beans. These legumes are staples in many cuisines worldwide, providing essential nutrients and dietary fiber. 88 species in genus Phaseolus. Aberrima pittier. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My personal connection to Fabaceae. My fascination with Fabaceae stems from my deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of life. This plant family exemplifies the intricate relationships between plants, soil, and other organisms. Their ability to enrich the soil, support pollinators, and provide sustenance for countless creatures showcases their vital role in maintaining ecological harmony. Moreover, I find the diversity within Fabaceae truly inspiring. From the delicate beauty of wildflowers to the towering strength of trees, this family encompasses a vast spectrum of forms and functions. Each genus and species within Fabaceae tells a unique story of adaptation and resilience, reminding us of the wonders of the natural world. In conclusion, Fabaceae is a plant family that holds a special place in my heart. Its ecological significance, diverse members, and unique characteristics make it a source of endless fascination and inspiration. I encourage everyone to explore the world of legumes and discover the beauty and importance of this remarkable plant family.